use this one here, that one there, that. I was actually going to do a bit where I also put a bottle of HP sauce on the table to match with everything else, but I'm fresh out and I didn't really want to go to the store. Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap, and you may be wondering why I have a desk full of HP gaming products. We've got their Mindframe headset, their Sequencer keyboard, the Reactor Mouse, and their Obelisk PC, all OMEN by HP gaming PCs and peripherals. Oh, that's heavy. If I put that down for 1 second. So when you have loads of different peripherals from different brands, mice, keyboard, headsets, etc., and they all have their own lighting software, getting it all to work together is incredibly difficult, if not impossible. So one of the advantages of buying your desktop PC and your gaming extras all from the same brand is that they'll all then work together. And using the OMEN Command Centre tool, you can customize lighting, presets, overclocking, pretty much everything you need to get a nice unified setup. First up, we've got the OMEN Sequencer keyboard. It's a mechanical gaming keyboard, but uniquely it uses optical mechanical blue switches. So it actually uses light beam detection instead of moving metal parts, which they say reduces response time to 0.2 milliseconds, it eliminates input lag, but it still gives you that mechanical keyboard feeling. We also get a volume rocker, 5 customizable macro keys, and per key RGB backlighting. Then we have the Reactor Mouse, again using optical mechanical switches and light beams, all that fancy stuff. So like the keyboard, there's minimal response time and no input lag. The sensor supports up to 16,000 DPI, you get 6 customizable buttons, including a DPI adjuster, an adjustable palm rest, so you can actually fit it to your hand. Plus you have 2 RGB lighting areas for the OMEN logo and around the mouse wheel. Generally, I prefer wireless mice, as I don't like the bungeeing effect you can get with wired ones sometimes. But this Reactor Mouse actually has a metal cable, I've never seen one like it before, which stops it from kinking and bungeeing. It's pretty cool. So that's the keyboard and the mouse, but then we have the OMEN Mindframe headset. And out of all of these peripherals, this is my favorite. Why? Well, if you're anything like me, after a long gaming session using over-ear headphones, my ears can get pretty warm. But these Mindframes are the world's first headset with active ear cup cooling, called frost caps. It uses a thermoelectric device inside of each cup and cools the speaker grill plates, which then transfers heat away from your ears. I seriously love this and wish more headphones offered it, and you can see the difference in temperature between the frost cap plates and the outside of the headphones. You also get 7.1 virtual surround sound, a built-in mic, and of course, customizable RGB lighting. By themselves then, all pretty solid accessories, but it's when you launch the OMEN Command Centre that you really can get the most out of them. You can customize the lighting from different static colors to various animations, and with the keyboard in particular, there's so many options. Choosing from game presets, so WASD is highlighted for example, or you can set it up for MOBA games, or just make your own color combos. It's pretty neat. And of course the custom lighting also applies to the mouse, the headset, the Obelisk PC, so your whole setup can be in sync, something that's normally quite tricky to do. And if you're a bit of a power user or serious gamer, you might want to set up the macro keys. I have a couple binded for quickly opening Chrome and Discord, but you could also set up a timed key combo, which would be great for mobile or fighting games, or if you're a YouTuber and have no shame, maybe even a text macro to write this every time. My favorite feature though is Game Stream. If you have an OMEN laptop or desktop PC, you can actually stream it to other Windows PCs or Android devices. So if you need to grab a file but you're away from your desk, you could log in with your Android phone and access it. Or maybe you want to play games away from the PC. Again, you can just log in on a laptop, for example, and you can play. My internet isn't even that fast, around 25 megabits per second down, and Anthem streamed pretty much flawlessly. So the Command Centre is pre-installed on all OMEN by HP laptops and PCs, and it comes with the drivers for all the accessories. Or you can download it for free through the Microsoft Store. So that's just a quick look at a range of the OMEN by HP accessories, and of course the Command Centre. I've put links in the description if you want to check them out, but I'd love to know what your setup is, what mouse, keyboard and headset you use, and if you have trouble getting all that lighting to match up. Thank you so much for watching guys, hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time right here on the Tech Chat.